Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install Hill Climb Racing on your mobile device, whether you are using Android or iOS. Hill Climb Racing is one of the most fun and addictive driving games available for mobile devices. First of all, open your Google Play Store or your App Store from your mobile device. In the search bar, type in Hill Climb Racing. Look for the application from the search result and tap on the Hill Climb Racing from Fingersoft, and then tap on the Get button to start downloading the app, or if you're on Android, tap on the Install button. On your iOS, you'll need to authenticate with your Face ID or your Touch ID or your Apple ID password to start the download process. And once it is done, you can easily play it on your Android or your iOS device. Just make sure that you are downloading the official Hill Climb Racing game, which is the game developed by Fingersoft. The download process may take a few minutes depending on your internet speed, so make sure you also have a stable internet connection. And there you have it. That's how you easily and successfully download and install Hill Climb Racing on your Android or iOS. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.